Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a simple technique and a trick to make your trading more disciplined and more accurate way. Okay, so by using this technique, you can avoid the mistakes what you're doing in trading. You can avoid the wrong trades and you can get to know what right trades you're doing and you can focus on the right trades what you're doing. So this process will be called as trading journal. So to create your own trading journal, all you need is a book and a pen. Okay, so with the help of a book and a pen, you have to create this journal, and I'll be telling you what are the things you need to write on this book and what are the columns you have to make. Everything I'll be explaining you in this video. So just get your book and a pen ready before you begin to watch this video. Okay, so have these things ready and start to note down the things what I'm going to tell you now, and this will help you very much in a very long run. Okay, so let's talk about the advantages of having a trading journal. So if you have your own trading journal, yes, of course, there's a very much advanced technology now. You can see your pay and statement trade book by your trading account itself, but that is very different. But if you maintain your own trading journal, if you write by your own hands, so the psychology says that the effect is more on the brains. So it's always better if you write with your own hand. Okay, so you have to create this trading journal, because if you create this trading journal, you will be having the discipline of trading. Okay, so you will avoid making your mistake and you will come to know what is the right thing you are doing in trading and what is the wrong thing you are doing in trading. So you will come to know by yourself itself. Okay, so this is a very good practice. So I would advise everyone to do this for at least a week and see how the result will be there. Okay, but this trading journal should be taken every single day. But for the people who have not tried it, so I would recommend you to start from today and at least try for the next 1 week and see how the result will be and what are the changes you can see in trading. Okay, so before I talk about the trading journal, I would like to show you the previous trade what we did on Tata Chemical. So where we had bought a stock and we sold it up to 6 or 7 points target, and this was the profit what we were able to book on the previous day's trade in Tata Chemical. Okay, and also guys, you can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and also the daily live trade. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. So in my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with daily live market guidance as well. The main goal of our course is to make you as a profitable trader. So you can just go inside my channel and watch the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also the main focus of our course is to guide you in the live market as well. So whatever the live trade you have seen in my channel, so I'll be guiding you with the same live trades as well. So once you join us, I'll be guiding you personally even in live market, what to trade and how to trade, where to take an entry, exit and everything. So I'll be teaching you all the concepts until you understand. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's a amount what is spent for eating your favorite snacks or a fast food in a month. Okay, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, as by being said that, now let's talk about the trading journal, how you need to focus on. Okay, so what you have to write down on your trading journal. So just get ready guys. Okay, so the first thing what you note down is the date. Okay, so these are the columns what you need to write it down. Okay, I'll show you one by one, so just make a note of it. Okay, so the first thing what you note down is date. So what date you're taking the particular trade. So this trading journal entry should be done whenever you take a trade. Okay, so the first thing is write down the date what you are what trade you are doing on what particular date. And the second thing is time, the time when you're entering to a trade. Okay, not when you start to see, when you enter to a trade. So you have to note down this. Yeah, you have to note down the date when you're trading and what is the time you're taking that trade. Okay, that means the time when you're making the entry to that particular trade, you need to note down that time. Okay, and the third thing is strategy used to take the trade. So what strategy did you use to take the trade? Okay, so these are the first three things what you need to note down. Okay, the date and the time and the strategy which you used to take the trade. So by using what strategy did you take the trade? Okay, next thing is that market trend during the trading time. Okay, so by what market trend did you select the strategy, and by what method did you select the trade, whether it's a buy or sell trade, so whatever it is. So whenever you entered to a trade, what was the market trend during that time, you need to make a note of it. Okay, for example, let's say you bought a stock by using some strategy, and at that particular time, let's say you're trading at 10 o'clock. At that particular time, if the market was bullish, if the market was plus, so you'll make a note of it. The market was bullish, that is the market was plus, and you used so and so strategy and you bought at this time. So these are the note what you need to make. And the second thing is reason of the trade. So if you have any reason, like if you have any reason why you have bought the trade, for example, you might have seen the strategy, or if the strategy has said you as a buy. Okay, or if any external factor, that might be any news what you have read or anything. So what is the reason why you took this buy or sell trade? It can be in a stock, it can be in feature, it can be an option or anything. So you just have to take note of all these things. So write down this all these columns and give an answer for it. Okay, so before you enter to a trade, make an answer for this and then take a trade, and then you can see what are the improvements you can do. So I'll explain you first. So reason of the trade, and the next thing is what is the result of the trade what you took, so whether it was a profit or a loss. So make sure you mention the result as well. Okay, and the next thing is extra notes. So extra notes comes as, if the trading day what you have taken, when you took this trade, is there any news on that day, was there any event on the particular stock? So if there is anything like that, you can note it on your extra notes as well. Okay, so these are the things what you need to note down as soon as you take the trade. Okay, so what date you're taking the trade and what time you're taking the trade. Okay, you should mention the particular time as well. Okay, if you're trading at 11 o'clock, if you're entering a buy or sell at 11 o'clock, enter that date and enter that time as well. And by what strategy did you take the trade, so enter that as well. And what was the market trend during the time when you're taking the trade, even you have to make that also. Okay, so if you're buying the stock and if the market is plus at that time or the minus at that time, so note down that also. And what is the reason of the trade what you took, and what is the target and stop loss you're keeping. You can note all these things down in your extra note option. Okay, so make this trading journal at least for a week or a month. Okay, so then you'll get to know the result, or like how you're trading and everything. So now what you have to focus on this is, you have to focus on the result, what you have got a profit and what you got a loss also. So now you can segregate it, and whatever the result has given you a profit, you can concentrate more on those kind of trades what you have done. So this is like a self realization when you do this. Okay, so make this habit of taking trading journal every single trades you take from the next day itself, what you when you see this video. So from tomorrow onwards, take a note of this. Okay, and see your result. Okay, once you get a data, like let's say you got one week data or 1 month data or anything. So after that, analyze what are the trades you made as a profit, what are the trades you made as a loss. Okay, and you have to learn from both profitable trades also, the loss trades also. Okay, so as you have the answer in front of you with all these columns answered, you will get to know by what trade or strategy, by making what things you made a profit, you will get to know. And you will also get to know by making what trades and by using what strategy you made a loss. So now you can try to avoid those things which you have made a loss of, and try to improve and concentrate on the trade which you made a profit of. Okay, so just take this note for the next 1 week to 1 month, and you can improve a lot. Okay, so this will help you figure out what mistake you're doing, and also you can note down what segments you're trading in. If you're trading only in equity, you can note it on your extra note as equity as well. So if you're trading in future, note it as a future as well. So let's say you made it today, trade in equity, and tomorrow trade in future, note it that as well. Okay, even that will count. Okay, so later you'll come to a conclusion by trading on what strategy you're making a profit, by trading on what kind of a market you're making a profit, and also this will tell you trading at what time you're able to achieve the profit or loss as well. Okay, so make sure to take a note of all these things, and this will help you a lot. Okay, this will give you more than your self confidence, and it will help you to improve what you're doing. Okay, so make sure you write down all these things from tomorrow and observe all these things from tomorrow. Okay, and also guys, if you guys want to learn from me, you can join us today. So you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on screen and get in touch with me to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So I'll be guiding you with my years and years of experience to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you on the next one very soon. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.